Good thing Maurice got two.
What are you looking at? I'm not checking.
Bro, check this.
Nah, touch no, my friend.
Bro, check this little part.
I did. It ain't there.
I told him.
Mama, you know you got it.
Dang, this minute is like, no, don't do this one. What you looking at?